These are coconut buns, not the regular puff puff we all know. This is a new vibe on its own. People ask me this question a lot. What do you do with your coconut chaff, especially after making coconut milk? What do you do with the chaff? Please watch the video till the end. You will love this recipe. Here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of milk powder, 3.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of dried coconut chaff, 320 ml of lukewarm water, half teaspoon of salt, and then half tablespoon of instant yeast. In a bowl, I pour in the dried coconut chaff, then I add flour to it. I'm using all purpose. You can also use hard flour. Then I go ahead, add my milk powder, add sugar. We are using granulated sugar, and also I add my salt, add yeast, and these are the dry ingredients we are going to use. Now we mix all together. Mix it well, make sure they are well combined. Here I add the lukewarm water and then stir all together. Stir it very well. Make sure there are not lumps here. Stir like the way we stir banku or TZ here in Ghana. You can also do this using your hand instead of using the wooden spoon or wooden ladle. You can just stir with your hand, okay? And any recipe that calls for yeast and at the same time water, do not use cold water for that recipe. Use something warm or lukewarm is okay, but not cold water. And chilled water is the worst. Don't go closer. Warm water or lukewarm water is best for yeast recipe. Now we are going to allow our dough to rest till it double, if possible triple in size. The timing will depend on the weather. Okay, so I'll allow mine to rest till it double or triple in size. Hello guys, this took me 45 minutes. Now I get the air out. We don't need the air, so try to get the air out in case you want to try this my recipe. Okay, now it's time to fry our buns. Make sure the oil is well heated, and then you scoop the dough and squeeze it through your index finger and your thumb. I have talked about this in most of my puff puff videos, so by now I believe that you are master in how to scoop and drop in the oil. Okay, so as soon as you finish dropping in the dough, begin to turn your buns, or if it is puff puff to begin to turn your puff puff. Do not allow one side to fry it completely before you turn. If you do that, they may not fry it evenly for you. Okay, and as soon as they turn golden brown, that means that it's ready to be removed from the oil. Hello there, if this is your first time of seeing my channel, my name is Mariam. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to check on your girl. And today I have another super and amazing recipe for you, and I call it coconut buns. Look at this guys, very crunchy on the outside. I present to you coconut buns. So if you ask me what do I do with my coconut chaff, the truth is that I have never discarded my coconut chaff. From cakes to bread to pastries, you can use your coconut chaff to make those recipes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, please stay blessed, and I hope you will give this recipe a try. Bye bye.